Mr Magnolia by Quentin Blake. Mr Magnolia has only one boot. He has an old trumpet that goes rooty-toot, and two lovely sisters who play on the flute. But Mr Magnolia has only one boot. In his pond live a frog and a toad and a newt. He has green parakeets who pick holes in his suit, and some very fat owls who are learning to hoot. But Mr Magnolia has only one boot. He gives rides to his friends when he goes for a scoot, and the splash is immense when he comes down the chute. But Mr Magnolia has only one boot. Just look at the way that he juggles with fruit. The mice all march past as he takes the salute. And his dinosaur, what a magnificent brute! But Mr Magnolia, poor Mr Magnolia has only one boot. Hey! Wait a minute. Now then, keep going. What's this? Look, it's a boot. It's a boot. Whoopee for Mr Magnolia's new boot. Good night.